Hello, today we're talking about why it's helpful to have a mallet or better, this type of hammer in your bag for if you ever have locks like this or you come across, you want to open them, say, here's the key, what it looks like. And do it on the side that has a spring and all that. We just do this with the harder side, 2 attempts, softer side, 1 attempt, probably a little harder. So, how it works is, see, on the kinetic energy, like same if you back 2 padlocks together, or 2 hammers on each side, 1 hammer on each side, it works like this because the energy pushes back the locking lever, and then that allowed it to open. But there's also a variety of ways to open them. You need Dr. Pepper, Red Bull, beer cans, all those type of things. But let me just put it on a drawer, and you see that lock right there. One, 2, 3, 4. That's simple. 1, 2. Let's see if I can get it in 1. 1 bang on the lock. That's how easy it is to open a padlock with a hammer. So, if you have padlocks with, like, ones like this with spring-loaded locking lugs, then I highly recommend you carry a hammer, but it's really just convenient. One more time.